This is Rumia.
This is Aysulu. We are the students of Tatarisch Gymnasium.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the very first episode of our series of Tatar teaching videos. Сәмс қадірлі оқушылар һәм оқытушылар. Before we begin, we will take a look at some of the common questions that often arise when talking about learning the Tatar language. So, the first question must be, why do we need to learn Tatar? There are some reasons.
Some of our nation women, the Tatars, especially who live outside of the Republic of Tatarstan, are not able to speak or understand it fluently.
Maybe you want to make some business in the Russian's most investment potential region in the Republic of Tatarstan, where is the Tatar language is official and many people use it.
Maybe you would like to participate in summer vacation camp 2012 that will take place in the Tatarish town of the Republic of Tatarstan.
Maybe you are just interested in the way of life, tradition and cultural heritage of the Tatars of Russia.
The Tatar language is from Turkic language family, and there are more than 200 million people who use it as natives. And we should mention that Tatar is very beautiful and melodious language that has its own music in each sentence. Of course, learning anything is difficult, and Tatar is no exception. However, there are ways to make a situation easier.
Learning Tatar takes time and patience. It cannot be rushed or teased. Try to relax and take it easy. The most important thing you will need at the beginning is a good vocabulary. Without words, you have nothing you work with. You must start with a strong foundation and slowly build on it, day by day. Daily practice is very important. We would like to stress that it's very important. You should use it everywhere. Just speak to yourself some new words and phrases. You find it funny. Do not worry about making mistakes.
Do not look at Tatar as just another subject. You are tutored to Tatar, and the way you view it will decide how well you progress. Just as Englishmen say, no pain, no gain. Practice Tatar every day and be confident. You will find that the more you use Tatar, the better your Tatar will become. And the more confident you become, then the more you will want to use it. Please remember our lesson are aimed at everyone, so hopefully you will find something useful in each one. Maybe you will find some of the words we use very easy, but you will also see some words that may be new to you. Remember our lesson are aimed at everyone. Even teacher of English or Tatar are really welcome to join. Learning Tatar should be a fun experience, and we hope with the help of our video lesson you will discover just how much fun it can be. We hope you've enjoyed our first lesson. These are Aysulu
and Rumia. Saying thanks for watching, Rahmat, and bye for now. Sağ olun.